called fun at the farm. Good morning. We're letting these girls run around. Pretty day. Finally cooling off here in Florida a little bit. Definitely needed. Gonna have a little project this morning. Couple projects. A little dock repair. So we've got some, it's gonna be hard to show, but we got kind of a rickety step situation here. If you can see this, that we're gonna fix. No big deal. The water level's been changing here a ton. It's really low right now. Really wish it would come up, but we're hanging and waiting on it. Until then, we're gonna add some steps so the kids can get in and out of the water. You can see our boat dock here. Used to have plenty of water to pull a boat in, imagine that, but now not so much. But anyway, it fluctuates. All right, getting geared up. Got the helpers here. Ton of help, you can see. So we'll see if we can get this going this morning. Got to run around in as usual materials, tools, and I don't have a lot of pressure treated lumber laying around, even though I probably burned a forest of it, or disposed of properly, that is. So anyway, we got to go scrounge around a little bit just for a couple silly steps. So headed up, get materials, got 2 assistants, a lot of help. See if we can find what we need. I guess y'all can get out and help me look. Yeah, watch for snakes, please. So, basically got a junk pile. We all agree it's got to be cleaned up. We're going to do that this winter. And we got a lot of lumber laying around under here. Just don't particularly want to get bit by anything trying to get it out, but you know, anything for the cause. All right, so we've got some material. 2x6s, not 100% sure it's even pressure treated. I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna stop by the barn, the big barn, and pick up my battery saw so I don't have to drag cords down. Puppies, we're gonna get a saw and then we're gonna go right on back down the lake, okay? All right, I see you're in agreement. Okay, all good? Hey, you wanna come in? All right, so here we are. It's a project for later, by the way. It's always a project on these machines. Another project I ordered parts for that were delivered to my other house, which is helpful. So we'll get to that in a later video. I'm replacing the brake drum in the back, but I ended up having to take apart the whole axle and I had to order new seals, and might as well replace the bearings at the same time, right? So anyway, so project to finish another day. What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on, we got work to do. It's not playtime. Hey, come on. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Not time for this. Yeah. Daisy, come here, baby. Come on. Hey, come on. All right, let's go. Daisy, load up. Thank you. Oh, that worked out well. Okay, Daisy, can we try this again? Come on. Can we try this again, please? Come on, load up. Load up. Hey, 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 ho. Hey, Daisy, get your honey in here. What is wrong with you? Come on, let's go. Okay, see? Multiple attempts, but there it is, success. All right, it's like the first, I don't know, mildly, or maybe second mildly cool morning we've had here in North Florida. It's been a scorching summer as usual. So this is the day I decided to get in the water and fix stuff. That makes sense, right? Daisy doesn't mind. Carmen doesn't mind. Let's see if they're going to help me out with my tripod here. Get out in the lake. Hopefully they'll knock it over, which would be extremely helpful. Again, just I don't know, 8 months ago, this would have been over my head right here. Literally, at least for sure a year ago, it'd been over my head. This is a piece of engineering for sure. I don't even know who put this boat ladder here. I didn't. So no OSHA violation on my part, but somebody did, and now it's broken. So my daughter let me know that someone's going to hurt themselves. So here we go. 35. This actually looks like these were actually laid out straight, which is great. So we need some 35-inch steps. So yeah, I own, of course, several parasol horses, but something like this, I'm not even going to drag them out. I'll make 2 cuts, and that's it. Not worth the trouble. Battery saw. I don't have to drag out any cables, which is awesome. Eye protection. One. Just see if we can go up with 2. This is I'm almost certain that's E-Pay, and I don't think it's wide enough, and it's not. Okay, so far we have 1 step. See what we can do with that. We're off to start. Go ahead and start some screws in here so when I get out in the water it's, you know, slightly easier. Any step you can save, especially when you're standing in at least waist deep water. It's a good thing. Now it's raining. It's pretty though, pretty day. Calm. It's funny how, I mean, it's only very early fall here, but it already feels different and sounds different. You know, the cicadas or whatever the hell they are that make so much noise all summer have shut up, at least for a while. They'll probably come back before it gets cool, but you know, it's still better because, you know, we deal with 105, 110 degree temps with heat index. It's just nasty, but you know, any break we can get, we're all for. So I can get out here without soaking the camera, probably preferable. All right, we're gonna get back to it here. All right, so we're on my real levels are up at the barn, so we're gonna work with this. I think it's gonna be fine. It's kind of silly, but whatever. Again, this is going back where steps existed before. So we're making the best of it. I'm actually going to leave these out just a hair, just so it comes down to replace them. Won't be hard, but not enough to snag anybody's bathing suit or anything. All right, I can live with that. The next one, it's going to have to be right at the water line, or I'm going to have to nail that in, because I don't have an aquatic screw gun. Need one, don't have one. All right, headed back, looking for more lumber. Yeah, we really thought this through well, and we're organized and ready. I normally do better than this. I thought we had plenty of stuff laying around, and now it's a scavenger hunt. You know, whatever. Good times, right, girls? All right, so we made it down to the gun range. And we had some material, or have some material here. I think I'm going to use some of this. We're going to build a raised platform to shoot off of, but that idea hadn't come to fruition. These are girls. So anyway, I'm gonna use this. A few hours of bush hogging yesterday. Thought I might sneak over here and see. Sometimes sneak up on deer, especially now that you can see them, even with the Honda going. Let's see. Yeah, I see tracks. They were here earlier. Deer everywhere here. Mainly does, but I've seen a couple of spikes and 4 points lately. We don't hunt them. Just like to look at them. The girls would like to hunt them. Hey, girls? Project, beer and puppies and homework, daughter, and no, Carmen, you can't have any. Still waiting on the rain stop. What happens when you got a good beer and your dog likes beer? Yeah, the craft beer, nut brown ale, it's good. She likes it. What's up with that? All right, we took a 1 beer break, waiting on the rain to ease off. And I realize we're working in the water anyway, but it's still hard to work when it's out there flooding like it was. So we're gonna finish this. It should have been about 30-minute projects, become, I don't know, a couple hours. Absolutely ridiculous. I just measured 36, which it's not. It's 35. Maybe we'll get there eventually. That's what a beer break will do for you. Right, 1 beer break. Eye protection. this is going to be just about at water level, so I'm going to have to attach this up high, because again, no underwater drill in my arsenal. So we'll start with this and see what happens. But it'll work out. Or maybe it'll work out. Well, maybe it won't. Okay, there's a screw with no threads on it. That's helpful. I don't know what's up with that. That's freaky. All right, let's do this. All right, let's see if we can make this work out. Again, the thing here is that this is right at the water level, so I don't have me balance the drill there. This is, again, another fun thing to do, which is great. So I need this step as low as I can get it, just for it to work for people to literally stand up on. So I can do it this way. Need to flush it against the edge. All right, I think this will work. Let's see if we can do it without destroying anything. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, bastard. Ah. Yeah, keep your drill dry and keep the board level at the same time. That's fun. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. We're done. All right, just for the heck of it, I decided to add another screw to each side. Like I said, I'm not countersinking these so I can pull them out later, because these steps will go bad as well. So they're kind of, doesn't look the neatest, but you know. Is what it is. There we go. Okay, now we're done.